Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create and save flashcard sets. So let's get started. Once logged in, click Materials in the top banner and click Flashcards from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the Flashcards page where you can view all of the available sections on the left-hand side. Click any section to view the contents of the set on the screen. You can also filter the results right above the flashcards shown. If you are looking for specific flashcards, use the search bar at the top to find what you are looking for. When browsing through flashcard sets, click any image to make it larger and listen to any audio.
Sausages.
To begin creating a flashcard set, click the plus symbol on any flashcard you'd like to save. The flashcard will then appear in your flashcard drawer at the bottom of the screen. Once the flashcard is clicked, a blue check mark will also appear, letting you know it has been saved. Continue adding flashcards to your set by clicking the plus button. You can browse through other sections and add flashcards to your set as well. In each section, you can filter the results and use the Select All button to add all of the flashcards in the category to your set. When you enlarge an image, you can also save it to your unsaved selection by clicking the blue Select button, or save it to a set you already have made by clicking Save to Set. To remove any flashcards from your flashcard drawer, hover over the image and click the trash icon. Click Manage in the top right corner of your flashcard drawer to view the flashcards you have saved. You can play the audio. You can also click Edit in the left to change the text or delete the flashcard. You can also reorder the flashcard by dragging it in your preferred order. Once you have finished choosing your flashcards, click Save to Set in your flashcard drawer. If you have already made flashcard sets, choose the set or multiple sets you'd like to save the new flashcards to, and click the blue Save button at the bottom. If this is your first flashcard set, or if you'd like to make a new one, click the New Set button at the bottom. Give the flashcard set a name, check it off, and click Save at the bottom of the screen. Your flashcards are now saved, and you can find them by clicking Saved in the top banner, selecting flashcard sets, and looking for the name of the set. That's it for this video on how to create and save flashcard sets. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.